अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। पीएमएस जनरल नॉलेज के पेपर में सिर्फ 3 दिन रह गए हैं। मैंने पहले भी आप लोगों से कहा था कि पीएमएस जनरल नॉलेज की प्रिपरेशन में आपने 3 पॉइंट्स को आपने लाजमी सामने रखना है। नंबर 1, जो सिलेबस मेंशन्ड है उसके अकॉर्डिंग सबसे पहले आपने प्रिपरेशन करनी है, उन्हीं एरियाज़ को प्रिपेयर करना है जो सिलेबस में मेंशन्ड हैं। सेकंड नंबर पर जो पीएमएस जनरल नॉलेज के अपने पास पेपर्स हैं उनको आपने प्रिपेयर करना है और एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन के साथ प्रिपेयर करना है ताकि आपकी डोमेन वाइज प्रिपरेशन हो जाए। और थर्ड नंबर पर आपने फिर पीपीएससी के जो पास्ट पेपर्स हैं एटलीस्ट 5 साल के आपने लाजमी करने हैं और उन पेपर्स में से सिर्फ वही पोर्शंस प्रिपेयर करने हैं जो पीएमएस जीके में आते हैं। इंग्लिश, उर्दू, इस्लामियात के एमसीक्यूज़ आपने नहीं करने क्योंकि ये पीएमएस जीके में नहीं आते। सिलेबस में पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ और जियोग्राफ़ी मेंशन नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी ये पोर्शन आपने प्रिपेयर करके जाना है। तो ये तीनों स्टेप्स अगर आपने फॉलो किए हैं, इन तीनों पॉइंट्स को सामने रखते हुए अगर आपने प्रिपरेशन की है तो फिर आपका जो जनरल नॉलेज का पेपर है वो पास हो जाएगा। पीएमएस जीके का जो पेपर है वो आसान नहीं होता, मुश्किल होता है। अगर आप ये समझ रहे हैं कि बगैर तैयारी के आप इस पेपर को पास कर लेंगे तो ये सोच जो है आपकी वो गलत है। बगैर तैयारी के आप इसको पास नहीं कर सकते। अगर आपको पीएमएस के 100 पास पेपर चाहिए विद एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन 2012 से लेकर 2024 तक, तो एक सैम्पल पेपर आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी दिया गया है, उसको आप देख लें और डिसीजन ले लें कि अगर आपको ये बाय करने हैं या नहीं। प्राइस इसकी आपके सामने मेंशन है और जो इजी पैसा अकाउंट है वो भी यहाँ पर आपको नज़र आ रहा है। पेमेंट के बाद जो ट्रांजैक्शन है वो आपको इस ईमेल पर सेंड करनी है। अगर आप आज से ये पीएमएस पास पेपर्स बाय करते हैं तो इसके साथ आपको पीएमएस जीके के जो सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग नोट्स हैं वो फ्री में प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे। टाइम अब आप लोगों के पास बहुत ही कम रह गया है, तो जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने भी लेने हैं वो जल्दी ले लें ताकि इन तमाम नोट्स को आप प्रिपेयर कर सकें। आज जो हमने पढ़ना है वो कंप्यूटर साइंस और आईटी के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ हैं, उनको हम रिवाइज करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। नंबर 1 है, हु इज़ नोन एज द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स? चार्ल्स बेबेज। The first electronic computer was called ENIAC. Which generation of computers used microprocessors? 4th generation. What is the brain of computer? CPU, central processing unit. Which part of CPU performs logic operations? Logic operations, ALU, arithmetic logic unit. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read-only memory and it is type of non-volatile memory. A nibble consists of 4 bits. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Which is the fastest memory in computer? Cache memory is the fastest memory in computer. HDD stands for hard disk drive. Which device is used to input physical images into a computer? Scanner. VGA stands for Video Graphics Array. The temporary storage area for data and programs is RAM. BIOS is stored in ROM. What is the main circuit board of a computer? Motherboard. SSD stands for Solid State Drive. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Which port is commonly used for connecting monitors? HDMI or VGA. The process of starting a computer is called booting. नेक्स्ट जो कुछ MCQs हैं वो सॉफ्टवेयर और ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम से रिलेटेड हैं। विंडोज़ इज़ एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। लिनक्स इज़ नोन एज ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर। अ कंपाइलर ट्रांसलेट्स हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज इनटू मशीन लर्निंग। GUI stands for graphical user interface. What is a bug in a computer science? An error in a program. The process of fixing errors in software is debugging. Which software is used to protect a computer from viruses? Antivirus. MS Word is an example of application software. The kernel is the core part of operating system. A set of instructions that tells the computer what to do is software. Next, networking and internet. LAN stands for local area network. WAN stands for wide area network. The World Wide Web was invented by Tim Berners-Lee. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. Which device connects different networks? Router. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. DNS translates a domain name into an IP address. HTML is used to create web pages. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Which protocol is used for sending emails? SMTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. A computer on a network that requests resources is a client. MAC address is a physical address. Phishing is a method of cyber fraud or identity theft. The first search engine was Archai. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. Fiber optics transmit data using light pulses. Cloud computing refers to storing data on the internet or remote servers. Bluetooth uses which type of waves? Radio waves. नेक्स्ट जो है वो MS ऑफिस है, वर्ड, एक्सेल और पावर पॉइंट से रिलेटेड. In MS Word, Control S is shortcut for save. The shortcut for undo is Control Z. The shortcut for redo is Control Y. To select all text, use Control A. In MS Excel, the intersection of a row and a column is a cell. Every formula in MS Excel must start with equal sign. The shortcut to cut selected text is Control X. The shortcut to paste text is Control V. Control plus K is used to insert a hyperlink. The shortcut for find and replace is Control plus H. F7 key is used for spelling and grammar check. In Excel, Control plus semicolon inserts the current date. The maximum number of rows in an Excel 2016 worksheet is 1048576. In PowerPoint, which key starts a slideshow from the beginning? F5. The shortcut to center align text in MS Word is Control plus E. Control plus P is shortcut for print. Control plus B is used to bold text. To close an active window, the shortcut is Alt plus F4. Control plus N is used to open a new document. In Excel, the sum function is used to add numbers in a range. Landscape and portrait are page orientation. Thesaurus tool in MS Word is used for synonyms and antonyms. Mail merge is a feature used to send the same letter to multiple people. To insert a line break in MS Word, press Shift plus Enter. In PowerPoint, a transition is an effect applied to slides. Next is cybersecurity and new technologies. Malware stands for malicious software. A firewall is used for network security. Encryption is a process of securing data by converting it into code. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. CAPTCHA is used to distinguish humans from bots. IoT stands for Internet of Things. Blockchain is the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Who founded Microsoft? Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. JPEG is the extension of image files. MPEG is the extension of video files. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Python is an example of a high-level programming language. SQL is used for managing databases. E-commerce means buying and selling over the internet. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. The recycle bin stores deleted files. A cookie on the internet is a small text file stored by a website. Spam refers to unsolicited or junk email. Bit is short for binary digit. Fortran was the first high-level programming language. COBOL is used mainly for business applications. Pixels measure the resolution of a screen. 1 terabyte equals 1024 gigabytes. DPI stands for dots per inch. Which language is known as mother of all languages? C language. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems. Ping is a command used to text network connectivity. Intranet is a private network used within an organization. Extranet allows limited access to an intranet for outsiders. Data mining is the process of extracting patterns from large data sets. Mainframe computers are used for large-scale data processing. Supercomputers are measured in flops. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. OMR is used for checking objective type exam sheets. MICR is used in banks check processing. QR code stands for Quick Response Code. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification. A proxy server is used to hide an IP address or provide security. Trojan horse is a type of malware or virus. Ransomware is used to lock files and demand money. Spyware is used to monitor user activity secretly. Adobe Photoshop is a graphic editing software. Unix is a multi-user operating system. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. PaaS stands for Platform as a Service. Dark web can be accessed using Tor browser. Deep web refers to unintended parts of the internet. Bandwidth refers to data transfer rate of a network. Latency is the delay in data transfer. Protocol is a set of rules for data communication. Alt plus Tab is used to switch between open windows. Control plus Home moves the cursor to the beginning of a document. Control plus End moves the cursor to the end of the document. In MS Word, F12 is the shortcut for Save As. Landscape orientation has more width than height. Portrait orientation has more height than width. Gutter margin is the margin added to the binding side of a page. Footer appears at the bottom of every page. Header appears at the top of every page. Watermark is a faint image or text behind document content. Macro is a recorded sequence of commands. Hyperlink connects document to a web page or file. Bookmark is used to identify a specific location in a document. In Excel, pivot table is used for data summarization. VLOOKUP is used to find data in a table. In Excel, 6 hash indicates column is too narrow to show content. Worksheet is a single page in Excel. Workbook is a collection of worksheets. Autofill in Excel is used to complete a sequence. Slide Master in PowerPoint is used to modify the layout of all slides. Animations in PowerPoint are applied to individual elements on a slide. Handouts in PowerPoint are printed copies of slides for the audience. Alt plus Shift plus Tab is used to switch windows in reverse order. Window plus L is the shortcut to lock the computer. Control plus Shift plus ESC opens Task Manager. Print screen key captures the entire screen. Function keys on keyboard are F1 to F12. Caps Lock is a toggle key. Modifier keys include Control, Alt, Shift. Delete key removes characters to the right of the cursor. Backspace removes characters to the left of the cursor. Tab key is used to indent or move between fields. Current CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai.